How to find CD key on Steam. In order to find it, you first need to head over right here into your Steam. And then once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is to head over right here into your library. Locate right here the game that you want to get the CD key from. For example, let's choose right here this, The Sims. Right click on it. Then from in there, click on Properties. So you should be able to find right here some updates, betas, controller options, game recording, privacy, and customization. So it typically depends on the game if you have a CD key. So for example, I have in here this. On your Steam library, you can find the manage option, and if it is available, you can find CD keys from there. The CD key option may not appear unless the game is already installed or being installed. You can also launch it on older games and still will automatically display any CD key needed for further verification. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.